Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to book flight ticket online on trip.com. So booking flight ticket on Trip is a straightforward and easy step-to-step guide. So I'm going to walk you through this process. So the first thing you have to do is to visit the trip.com website or the app version. So you can open your browser and go to the section bar and type in trip.com website or download the mobile app for your mobile device. After that, enter the departure and the destination city, travel date and the number of the passenger. Then click on search to view available flight. Then from there, select the flight. So browse through the list of available flights and choose the one that fits your schedule and budget. You can use the filter to narrow down your option based on price, duration, and airline preference. Then fill in the necessary details for all passengers, ensuring that names match the IDs and all passport. Then after that, you can double check your flight details and passenger information. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding, and also choose the preferred payment method and complete the purchase. The trip.com accepts various payment options, including credit/debit card and other online payment methods. And after that, after successful payment, you will receive a confirmation email with your email ticket and book details. You can also access your booking information in the manage booking section on the trip.com website or for the app. And that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.